So with the rapid integration of government services online, the Delhi police has introduced an online payment platform for commuters to pay traffic fines through E-Challans. Yes, so apart from the regular policemen stopping you for traffic violations, now you can also be caught on camera for the same reasons. Well, now these E-Challans can be paid online as well as offline. So in this video further, we will tell you as to how you can pay your traffic fines if you stay in Delhi online and also check the status of your E-Challan. So let's understand. So firstly, understand that the E-Challan notice is sent as an SMS to your registered mobile number, which includes details of the traffic violations and the fine for the same. With this, you may also receive a physical notice to your registered address. So now let's take a look at the step-by-step to pay your traffic E-Challan online if you're in Delhi. So first of all, simply visit the Delhi Traffic Police website and then on the home page, go on the menu Notice and then click on Pending Dues. Well, in the next step, a new page will open, then either enter your vehicle number or the notice number and then simply click on Search Details to retrieve the details of your traffic fine. So if there is a pending notice, then you simply have to select Pay Now option to clear the traffic fines. And then on the new page, click the payment ID and the amount payable and then proceed to make the payment through the payment gateway available to users. And lastly, upon successful payment, a new window pop-up will confirm the payment of the Delhi traffic challan. So if you want to print your E-Challan payment for future reference, you can do that too. So weren't these steps very easy to pay your E-Challan online? So if you've ever been caught and you want to pay your E-Challan and you stay in Delhi, simply follow these steps. And for more such content, you can log into our website India.com and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.